Good evening everyone. Guys, dumating na yung binili kong Purist Collagen. So I have the Collagen Glow Berries. Ito siya. And then the other one is 1 tub na Marine Collagen Peptides. So yan. You see here? Yan. So, iinumin ko muna ito. Or ito. So, maybe this one muna. Tatry natin. Then, bubuksan ko dito para makita niyo yung itsura niya. And then, magbibigay din ako ng quick ideas. Ano to? So, unahin natin yung collagen. Marine Collagen Peptides. That's one. So, yan guys. Yan. Bagong-bago. So, may open it. Yan. Wow! Meron pa siyang another cover. So, diba? So, gawin natin. Matcha. This one, ang flavor niya is matcha. Yan. Matcha. Matcha. So, what I will do is, I have water here. Lagyan natin. So, sabi dito, 1 tablespoon ng everyday. Based dun sa instruction. Once a day lang. So, yan. Wala lang akong honey ngayon. Bala ko sana siyang lagyan ng honey. So, next time. Nice. Sarap siya. So, sabi dito is, this one is, it is a matcha infused collagen booster for skin, hair, and nail rejuvenation. So, wala siyang preservative, no artificial coloring, no gluten, no soy, nuts, and pollen, no GMO. So, everything here is natural. So, manufactured from Singapore pa. Ayan guys. Try na natin siyang inumin. Masarap ha. Masarap. Masarap siya. The best. Sana tumagal sa akin to. Yung 1 tub niya is 390 gram na siya. Tingin ko, kung 1 tablespoon a day, siguro sana 1 month. So, para at least, meron akong 1 month supply. So, para next month na lang ulit ako order yun. So, babasahin ko lang yung nandito. Sabi dito, Marine Collagen Peptides, matcha flavor. A deliciously easy way to supplement collagen in your daily routine. Just scoop, mix, and drink. Collagen peptides are easily absorbable. Yeah. Oo nga naman. Natunaw siya agad. So, hindi mo kailangan pa ng hot water. Natunaw siya agad. And support skin, hair, and nail health. So, since I'm turning 40 na this year, so I need to maintain this one. This drink, matcha. I'm starting to love matcha na. Before, depende sa drinks. But I didn't usually drink matcha. But this time, when I taste it, oh, it's nice. Masarap siya. Natin ulit. Okay siya. We'll just put some ice here. Yan. Yan natin ng ice. Para naman, may freshness, malamig. So, hinahulog pa siya. Thank you. Buti na lang nakita ko to at naka-order ako. Guys, try this one. Oh, it's real. It has a 5,000 milligram of collagen per serving. Meaning, yung 1 tablespoon mo na serving for this one, may 5,000 milligram collagen na siya. So, maganda talaga siya para sa beauty, sa skin, yun, especially sa skin, nails, and hair. So guys, this one, try this.